What's up, y'all? Welcome to Lee Bien Becker Health. When it comes to my health, what I cook my food in is just as important as what I'm cooking. That's why today we're talking about one of my favorite kitchen tools, the cast iron. In this hand, I've got the 12-inch for the everyday cooking, and then the 15-inch. A friend got me this, and when they did, they knew what they were doing because I use this one all the time. I used to use this 12-inch, which was okay, but my meals, I can cook them faster, better, and just overall gets the job done. That's it. Beside down here, I've got two small ones just for some quick little stuff like making eggs for this little bitty one, and then this one. I don't use them too much, but once in a while if I'm doing something special, I'll use them here and there. Cast iron is versatile, durable, and when cared for properly, can last you a lifetime. And that's why I appreciate me a good cast iron. Not only can cast iron handle everything from stovetop to oven, but it also adds trace amounts of iron to your food, which is great for your health, especially if you're prone to iron deficiency. Now, keeping your cast iron in great shape is key. Here's how I care for mine. So after every meal I cook in them, I make sure to wash them off with hot water. No soap unless absolutely necessary, which is very rarely you'll ever need that. So after washing it, I will take either a piece of paper towel and some coconut oil, good kind, either coconut oil, or what I'm starting to use now is this Pacific Smithy Ironware Care Oil seasoning, and I'm gonna use it for my cast iron. All I do is take a little bit on a rag and wipe it all over. And then in order to keep that seasoning texture in the pan, I will sometimes also heat it up on top of the oven or put it in the oven at a low temperature just so it doesn't rust and it can dry. And that's usually done after I wash it, but then after that dryness, I season it. And once every few months, you can also just season it with oil and then put it straight at 400 or the highest it can go in the oven. And then that's how you get it to season. Cooking with cast iron isn't just about tradition. It's about taking care of your health and using the tools in your kitchen. Plus, there is something so satisfying about the way food tastes when cooked in the cast iron. So what do you think? Are you ready to get started cooking in the cast iron? Let me know down in the comments what your favorite cast iron recipe is. Or if you're new to cast iron cooking, what do you plan on cooking first? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lee Bien Becker Health so you can get some wonderful tips on how to make healthy eating healthy and fun. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. Always remember, stay healthy. Actually, I am to cook something. It's a good thing I made this video. For storing them properly, I also make sure to put them in these bags. They're easy to carry around and keeps nice and safe and clean and ready to use within seconds. Just like that.